An apple a day. Can it really does the job what it says? Can it really keep the doctor away from us? Let's check out in this podcast today. Be with me until the end. Let's check out the history of an apple, how the phrase of an apple came. It's a famous phrase from the ancient history. It came that an apple a day can keep the doctor away. Why? It came from the country of Wales. It is dated back in 1800, and then the phrase was written as, if you eat an apple every night, you will make the doctor beg for his bread. So if you eat an apple before going to bed, you will make the doctor beg for his bread. So this was the phrase and this was the saying how it came. And then it is ambiguous that Adam and Eve, when they ate an apple from the Garden of Eden, or was it fig, pomegranate, olives, or something else? It's never known that what exactly was it. But then, however, what happened was, when every new king came, the tree of knowledge kept on changing from apple to fig, then it became again apple. So that's how the apple is the major thing. And however, in the 17th century, it was decided and told that it is apple, which is the forbidden fruit. And now let's check out the current scenario. Today, what is happening in between us? Today we have such a busy schedule that we are not taking any nutritional supplement or nutritional in a natural state. What does that mean? Natural state means we are taking everything in a processed form. The main problem today is that we are taking everything in a processed form rather than taking in its natural state. So, is it really healthy for us? I don't think so, because whatever we are doing is getting processed and the nutritional value is going down and down every day by day. So, our daily diet, should it be rich in vegetables or fruits? And what should be the thing? So, we actually should have a nutritional rich diet on a daily basis, which means even the paper says that the diet rich with vegetables and fruits can keep all the chronic heart related problems and some type of cancers away from us. So this is the kind of the major health benefit of having an apple or a fruit. It's said that one can take a fuller fruit on a daily basis and can reduce the chances of his or her risk of attracting the chronic illness or the various disease in their life. So this is the benefit of the entire fruit if we eat on a daily basis. Now let's check out, apple can be a great health benefit. How does an apple can be of that great benefit? Some of the papers says that consuming an whole apple on a daily basis can reduce the risk of cardiac related problems, some of the diabetes, the type 2 diabetes and wheezing problems, and some type of cancers as well. Now the best benefit, a study shows that it works best in the high blood pressure people who have a high BP, and it lowers the bad cholesterol. The third most amazing benefit is it is the neuroprotector for the brain. So it has the major benefits for the human body. Now if you check out the whole apple, a healthy good apple, if you see what all it contains, it can contain vitamin C up to 1500 mg in one apple itself, and some of the other vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B6, and some of the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in one whole apple. So these are the nutritional benefits of having an apple on a daily basis. Now let's check out one thing which we always think, that should we take an apple with the peel or without the peel? Now if you think without the peel, yes, definitely you can have without the peel. But let me tell you here what are the benefits of having it with the peel. Now, most of the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory and the other natural properties are present in the peel in a natural state. Now, if you take off the peel, what you may lose is 116 calories of the nutritional benefit. Apart from that, 5.4 grams of fiber, 240 milligrams of potassium, 210 milligrams of vitamin C, 120 IU of vitamin A, 5 micrograms of vitamin K, and the best part is it doesn't have a fat. So there is no problem that if you have it with peel, you may not lose anything. Now, what do you think? Apple without the peel can be eaten. Yes, it is definitely a good choice and a healthy choice. But if you think it is actually losing its nutritional value, a great nutritional loss if we peel off the apple. Now, what can be done? Do you think that should we take juice or should we take a whole apple instead of juice? So in the studies also it says that it is proven if you take a whole fruit in place of the juice, you are going to have a more benefit value, more nutritional value, because in the juice you may lose the fibrous content of the entire fruit. So better go with the whole fruit itself. Now, the best part is it may not be true for most of us. Don't be sad. An apple a day can keep the doctor away. It may not be true, but it is definitely a healthy choice and a great nutritional benefit for all of us. So go with an apple a day. Definitely you may get benefited and can keep the doctor away from you. Thank you so much for watching me today. If you have liked my video, please do subscribe, share, like and comment on my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel Rave Your Life with Rahil, please, I would request you to please go down there, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the all notifications of my new videos. Until then, for the next video, goodbye, love you, much love.